Fig Loans is a unique platform offering a credit builder loan that helps users improve their credit score. It's ideal for those who need to build or repair their credit without taking on high-interest debt or complicated financial commitments. The process starts by applying for a small loan, which is held in a savings account while you make payments toward it. This shows credit agencies that you are a responsible borrower, helping you establish a positive credit history. One of the standout features of Fig Loans is its transparency. Unlike traditional loans, the platform doesn't charge high fees or hidden interest rates. You're only required to pay a low, fixed monthly amount, making it a manageable way to build credit. Additionally, Fig Loans reports to all three major credit bureaus, which is essential for improving your credit score. The application process is quick and straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic personal information and details about your financial situation. Once approved, you're given access to the loan amount, and the funds are placed in a savings account. You'll be able to access the money once you've paid off the loan, but the primary benefit here is that each payment you make counts towards your credit score. Another appealing aspect of Fig Loans is the lack of hidden charges. Many credit-building loans come with steep fees that can make it difficult to get ahead, but Fig Loans avoids that with clear, upfront pricing. Additionally, the platform is user-friendly, and its website is easy to navigate. This makes the overall experience smooth and convenient, even for first-time users looking to build their credit. In terms of customer service, Fig Loans offers strong support. If you run into any issues or have questions, you can easily contact their team for assistance. This is an important factor when dealing with something as crucial as your credit score. The platform is designed with people in mind, offering a secure and transparent way to improve your financial standing. Compared to other credit-building products, Fig Loan stands out as a low-cost, straightforward option. It's a great choice for anyone looking to build their credit score without the risk of getting trapped in high-interest loans or credit card debt. If you've been struggling with your credit or just want to start building it from scratch, Fig Loans is worth considering. It provides a solid, reliable way to improve your financial health with minimal risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips on managing your finances.